Okay, a couple of weeks ago I decided I wanted to try PCBWAY's clear 3D printing process. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I picked the smallest project that I'd done recently, which is the KD270, and I sent the files for the body, the legs, and the lid to PCBWAY, and this is what I got back. The only one little problem with it, and it isn't a problem that's going to keep me together, a little bit of a warp there. The rest of it is very, very square, very true, very good looking. Here's the lid. And basically, again, not wanting to spend any money, I'm going to transfer the parts from this FDM 3D printed one into this one, and we'll see how things go. The circuit board should fit in there. I haven't tried it. Oh yeah, nestles down in there just fine. So in the next video, hopefully those parts will have been moved into this guy. Oh, I also did the legs. Did them in the short version, so I can use my pencil eraser grippers. Now there's a long version of these legs too, and if you do the long version, then you just need to put something else on the ends of the feet for friction. And I'll give you one idea. You can cut the ends off little twisty balloons. This was $1 something at Walmart. You might even be able to find them at a dollar store. But basically just took the end, the little nubbin part, and then slipped that over the longer version of the legs and make a little rubber booty for them. Again, it came down to money. I didn't want to order the legs in both long and short. Everything added up. In fact, why don't I just give you the rundown on that. The The body was $17.40, and obviously if you bought more things then the prices go down. By buying one, you're going to pay. The lid was $12.45, and in the legs I got all 4 legs, and what was the total? $18.67 for 4 of those. Servo clips, I haven't showed you those, but I did those in clear too. Just thought that'd be kind of cool. This is what snaps in between the servos to lock them in place. I only needed 2 of those, but the price was the same if I ordered 1, 2, or clear up to 5. The price didn't change because the part was so small. Okay, so shipping, I went for a lower cost USPS option this time, so I spent $10.11 on shipping, and then there was, because I used PayPal to pay for all this stuff, there was a PayPal fee of $3.78, so the grand total for everything was $81.08. But if it works, if the parts fit in there, I think it was worth it. I like the idea of a transparent body, something so clear. It looks like it's injection molding. I mean, you don't see any layer lines. They didn't make any molds. They just took my STO files and boom. A couple of days later they had them ready to ship, and if you wanted to spend a lot of money for shipping, you could get them turned around in less than a week. But I didn't want to spend a lot of money on shipping, so it took me 2 weeks to get my parts. Okay, I'll put a link down below to this guy's demo if you're interested, and in that link you'll also find a link to the STL files in case you want to build your own up on Thingiverse. And I think shouldn't take me too long to transfer the parts if I can get a few of my other duties around the house taken care of.